कि khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Ketenat election ka jela lingbau chief electoral officer haka khat artrip ya yong aca apusau klalumi ka jingalang jong barok kiseng san perthai ka jela kibanyo kun haka election MP Lok Sabha arca apusau haba pentip ya kani u chief electoral officer ka jela u BDR Tiwari uloong ka jingalang kadai bat kinong mi khman na barok kiseng san perthai ka jela kibanyo shimenta haka election MP Lok Sabha arca apusau banyakran halo ka jingsngau jong ki parti Kham tam namar bakasngi thap vote ukalajan u CEO lai thu ba ha ka jingalang kinong mi khmat jong ki seng san perthai kla penpau ye ki jing e ha ka baya dei ka jing thung ye ki political agent ba ka jing don kam ban tre lang na ka banta ban penne ya ka shong suk shong san hapo ka jela ulong ba ka tanat election kala ngau ye ki jing u jong ki seng san perthai bar ka tanat kala pan ye ka jing tre lang bar ki party na ka banta ban pendelun ye ki kam ha ka baya dei ba ka jing pen khre ye ka sngi tha vote ka ban long ha ka khat khandai tre u ya yong ar har pusau
poll day is very close. And moreover, there are several concerns from the different political parties to know their worry list and other issues like appointing the political agents and their cooperation in respect to law and order situation. And from our side, we have heard about the different concerns and worries in present scenario, and we requested them for their full cooperation, and all of them have just assures us from their end they will try their best to maintain the peace and harmony, and full cooperation they will extend to the law and order enforcement agencies and state. So we are very happy, and but our concerns are there at the ground to maintain the law and order and peace and harmony. So law enforcement agencies are already there as per the protocol and instruction from the Honorable ECI. Basically the situations, some incidents and whatever happening, it is not very common in the political scenario in Meghalaya, but we are taking it at topmost priority. Prime concern is there, so all the needful arrangement is being done, and force and other law enforcement agencies, our teams are already mobilized in full swing to keep the proper monitoring and watch over the situation. And I hope with the collective effort we will be able to go with the very elections. These elections also in peaceful and free and fair. As the so-called notice has been issued to the some leaders in those matters, and moreover our machinery, the team is there for the video team, video recording, flying squad and other teams, police is also there on the ground, and wherever is any rally we are taking the recording, and forces are being deployed just to maintain the peace and harmony, so there to avoid any untoward incident at any time. If there is any incident happen, because wherever our formal team, we hardly found any such thing, because some incidents are all of sudden occurs. So, and in all such places it is very difficult to, because we can't assume ki any such incident going to happen in any place. So we immediately, the team is being mobilized, and then we get the inputs, feedbacks, and then get the reports also. So whatever the, even as you asked about the social media things, we are keeping a close watch, and if anything comes then we take on. We are having more than 400 polling stations which are vulnerable and so on. very poor or critical. So, and all the needful arrangement has been made to conduct all those. We are all the machineries has been doing proper examination and extra forces, and in the mixed population area we are taking proper care so to avoid any such incident which may lead to further tension. It is a land order issue and police is there, and matter has been taken up by the land order agencies. So we are in talk with the different sections, even with the political party, and I hope so the poll will go big. Lok Sabha elections, no such incidents happen. So whatever few incidents are coming, as you are also telling, so in that way we are looking not very different, but these things are not very common as per the Meghalaya is concerned. Normally the elections in Meghalaya were traditionally very peaceful and conducted in very peace and harmony, free and fair manner. So such tension, if the something is coming and some law and order related few issues has come, so we are keeping close watch, and we can't deny that there is a everything is like previous. So something happened, but we are keeping close watch, and we are very much committed to conduct the free and fair and peaceful election. For the home voting, the number where whatever number is there, whoever has opted for the home voting, so we are getting very good response, and still there is some time, so final figure is yet to say, but response is quite good. Even the postal ballot, voting through postal ballot for the essential services are also going on in the different districts as per schedule. So, and there is no such incident, no complaint anywhere happen in respect to the home voting or voting through postal ballot is concerned.